So we have done media for a lot of different events over the years, but this is by far the biggest. We got to do media at Unbound Gravel, where there was all 50 states, 40 different countries, 4,000 riders. It was huge.
Big international bike race. So we had to figure out all the different logistics of officially being press media team for this event, capturing our people racing in this event. So many things.
Oh!
Low-key riding, woo!
So, we have discovered mud.
Let's show you what we learned.
All right, so it is T-minus 10 minutes to race time. We are just about ready. I've got the main camera. I'm going to be going to the front of the start line. Abe is going to be flying the drone.
The goat herself.
And she's going to be manning the camera as well.
Bringing the big guns, literally.
Yes, sir. It is almost time.
Everybody stay safe. Overtime now. Have a good time. Look forward to seeing you right back here in just a couple of hours. Come on, Emperor. You guys can make more noise than that.
All right, and they have been set off. All of the bikers have gone out. I was getting some shots in front. Abe is still following a few of them with the drone. Very nice, sir. Do you think you got the start pretty well?
Bro!
So there was a lot of planning and things that needed to get done before we got to this point. Here's how we did it. We got to Emporia the day before, attended the press briefing, and studied the map to see what routes we could take to film Michael and Tim on the 50-mile race. We had to avoid actually crossing the race route while getting close enough to the route to get the shots that we wanted.
All right, so the real question is, how are you feeling about this? David?
We'll figure it out. It'll be fun.
Yes.
We have found temporary shelter for the time being from the rain. It is kind of pouring outside right now. So, kind of putting a crimp in a little bit of our plans, but we'll make it work.
Money.
Since Michael normally flies the drone for our video projects, Abe had to get some practice in flying the drone in a parking lot, learning to track the bikers.
Alright, here's the real test. I lost it. Okay. That was not bad though.
Meanwhile, Michael and Tim were testing out the Insta360 cameras while riding.
We're trying to figure out
So it goes like this, then goes out back.
how to shave lots of weight very quickly, or adjust the straps accordingly. Look at this angle. Like, I look so fat.
That is...
That's alarming.
And so we had to solve this problem.
Walmart. We need to find a helmet action cam mount because we figured that with the dongles, as you saw, might not work the best. So we're out here late night Walmart run trying to see if we can find something that will fit the helmets. Steak.
Thus, the Teletubby was born.
Good morning. Got to sleep about midnight. We probably all got about maybe a little over 5 hours of sleep.
And here we see the wild Abraham Chen filming away, trying to get the perfect shot for his YouTube video. Will he actually get it? Right now it looks as though he's looking at Tim's rear end. Is he actually? Who knows?
We leave here in about an hour to be able to get to Emporia in time to get all of our gear set up and get ready for the race.
The positions this man gets into to get shots.
It's all about this shot, boy. Let's go. We gotta get out of here too. Just do pull that real quick and then bend that. Real quick.
Did I mention stoked?
Funny.
Stoked!
All right, now to actually make this happen.
We don't have enough sleep to do this.
It will be interesting. Are you nervous at all?
No, I'm mostly just tired.
Okay. Yeah, that's fair. All right, let's do this.
Do you think you got the start pretty well?
Bro, woo!
Yeah? Yeah?
I got some really good shots.
Nice, dude.
Okay, I'm like, oh, he got some really good shots.
Yeah,
I got
yeah.
every single drone shot basically that I wanted, and a little bit more.
Yes.
Heck yes.
Yes, my boy. Let's go. Okay.
Okay, now
All
to
right.
bring this guy home.
Yep, bring this guy home. We can't dilly-dally too long here because we're gonna need to get going to the first intercept point.
Honestly, now the real adventure begins.
And we're off to the first intercept. Michael and Tim are actually low-key riding. Woo!
Our cameras are dropping all over the place.
Low-key driving faster than we expected, which is a good thing. Hey, they are racing. So we are going to try and intercept. Our first point is 10 minutes away. I don't know about you, David, but I'm definitely just trying to catch my breath. That was a great opening.
Dude, you are still like riding the high of getting that good drone shot.
Oh yeah, but like the highs, but also just like the nerve.
Yeah.
That was a lot
no,
of people.
I believe you, dude. I believe you. It was a lot.
Yeah, praise the Lord. Good start to the day, and now we'll see. Yeah, the chase begins.
Indeed it does. We have successfully made it to the first intercept point. It is kind of the middle of nowhere, but we have got some riders over here, so that is the course right there. So we are right next to it. We've got Abe getting a little bit of footage, and then he's going to be setting up the drone, flying around, setting up shots, and I'll be headed over there to try to get our boys as they go past. They're still a little ways off, but we should be ready for them. Yeah, I found them. They're right here. These two in the blue. All right, first intercept was a success. We got some really good shots of them coming down this big road right over here. Abe is finishing up some drone shots right now, and then we're gonna get loaded up and hopefully get to the next spot pretty quick. All right, first intercept, you would say success?
Yeah, very successful actually. Thankfully, much more chill than I expected.
Yeah.
It was windy, was flying the drone and just like racing, but I mean, hey.
Yeah.
So far.
Yeah, probably try to get all the drone shots you can. I heard one other guy that was out here taking pictures say that the storms are supposed to come in at noon, which is a little earlier than we thought.
Wow.
So, yeah.
That will be fun.
All right, intercept number 2. Abe's getting fancy with it. He's trying to have the drone land on the car here.
Yep.
He is in focus mode right now.
Doing pretty good. It's right there. Oh. Yeah.
Oh! Come on, you can do it! Just a little bit further. And oh! Almost stuck the landing. Oh, it was looking so good.
This win is no joke.
No kidding. All right.
Okay.
I think we're off to a spot that we're really excited about now.
Yes. This is the big shot.
We have confirmed it. The drone lives.
I didn't kill it. You're welcome, Mike.
Yeah, he was scared for a little bit. I had confidence. Like, that little guy is resilient. He is an unbound drone. We're gonna be chilling here at this crossroads for a little bit. It looks like Michael and Tim have stopped an Ulp for a rest stop. Hopefully they're still doing good. They're ready to get going again pretty soon. We will be ready for them. Look at him go! Alrighty, second to last intercept is complete. Abe at least attempted to get a little bit of a follow shot. So we've got one more spot that we can try to intercept in here, but after that, it's just up to them to finish strong.
Yes, sir.
They got this.
We're braving this guy.
Oh gosh, you could just see the evidence of how much we absolutely mangled this road. Oh my gosh, we destroyed it yesterday. So we have discovered mud. We're in Tim's poor little Honda. Oh gosh, poor little Honda Civic just sliding around. Tim, I believe in you, buddy. Woo! And we made it off.
Are you guys alive?
Yeah, we're good.
Dude, you see that?
Dude, the Civic was a champ.
Definitely got some mud. We're gonna be biking and stuff like this, so.
Okay. All right. All right.
Oh, crap.
Okay. All right. We're okay. We're okay. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. We got this. We got this, Abe.
So we literally just had to go through that spot.
Yeah, we just had to like re-experience just like the wreckage of what we did to that road yesterday. I mean, yesterday after the rain, it was awful. Today it was not that bad, especially in this car. Like this car is solid.
Oh yeah.
Michael's got a good vehicle here.
He will be very happy to hear you say those words, David.
Oh yes, I know.
I think we left one of our cameras back at the last intercept, so all good, all good.
We can go back for it. This is the last stop.
This is literally the last one. So we get to go back and then get to the finish line at that point.
You guys got this. They're making really good time.
Yeah, we expected them to be actually way slower, so that's not bad at all. Now to find our missing boy.
Yeah.
See which crossing we left him at.
This area is still rough. But to be honest, I feel like it's partially still rough because of what we did to each other. There we go. Not bad at all.
Oh, here we go.
Our prodigal child, he's there.
Right there. We definitely left him.
The poor
sorry,
boy. The poor boy.
Observe as the wild Abraham Chen goes to retrieve his camera equipment, as the bikers go past him wondering, what is this Asian idiot doing? I'm not even sure that he knows.
This guy shot till its first SD card was full. Faithfully stood its post.
All right.
We got it back. Let's
All right.
go.
Back to Emporia. All right, well, we are tracking the boys, and they are just about here to Emporia, so we are hanging out in the media booth, and we're going to head down, and we are going to be ready to congratulate our boys, because they are just about done.
One last stretch, literally, for them and for this team right here.
Exactly, and we get to celebrate.
What did we learn today? So me, for one, of obviously the drones, figuring out how to get the directions, flying into the wind, that was big for me. What about you?
I think one of my biggest things, funny enough, was driving a Subaru on off-roads. That was entertaining. It was also just really helpful for us to go out and prepare beforehand and scout our routes. That was super helpful. We weren't initially planning on doing that, but the fact that we did was incredibly helpful.
As you guys kind of saw, we were going to go out to gravel and like have them ride around on gravel, but thank God for the rain and we were forced to actually just drive on the track. That whole mud incident, it really worked out. I think with that, plotting out the map locations, that was big. Of like, how do you plot out a race course and a media course that does not intersect with that?
It was a really cool chance to get a lot of shots that I think I had never had the chance to get before, with just all of those long corridors with all the bikers coming down. Yeah, just generally it was a lot more fun than I was honestly expecting.
For all the videographers out there, this is something that really spoke to me, where, you know, there's so many projects where I just went out and tried stuff. And yes, this is how you learn, but at the same time, you know, if there are shots that you're not like, you know, 100% sure about, or projects, you do your homework and then you go on and do it. So hope you guys learn by doing, learn something from this whole process. Any last words?
Like and subscribe.
Yes, go comment if you have any random ideas of what we did wrong below. Teach us.